only been like 3-4 years since we changed up a lot of the stuff in the shop. So it's as it is now, but we've got heaps of cool stuff to go. So yeah, we're gonna change up, kind of gonna show you what was there, and then next you're gonna see what's gonna go up. So we have the Flamingo, 02, the J&E, all those are going, they've been cool, but they're pretty dated now. The 23 is part of the dual piece is new, so that's staying. But RGB jelly is going as well, being replaced. This entire wall here is being replaced, all of these signs. Except for this one, this is brand new, we just put out yesterday. It's part of like the new, more detailed stuff that we can do. Just over here, we've got the XOXO that is going. The Tiki and the Mermaid up here as well are going, and so is the peace sign. So all brand new stuff's getting put up there. And in the window, the diving girl's changing up as well. And yeah, we're just doing way more tech stuff that we can do. A lot of the stuff is 3-4 years old and definitely needs a bit of a refresh. The thing I'm most excited about, I think it's going to be the best, is the Major Look Felix the Cat out there. That's getting a big update. It's going to be like a rendition, like a similar thing to what was there previously, but just a whole lot cooler. So yeah, watch the next video to see what goes up there. Alright, so we're going to do like a double 3D sign, so 2 signs on top of each other. I'm not saying it's commonly done, but it's pretty cool. I'll show you how this looks. We've got a little bit of clean up here, but these are the 3D effect I was talking about. One sign on top of the other just stood off. You can see my hand actually fits in between. So we got one layer up for the welcome sign, similar sort of style, but different colours this time. I'm going to go up there and chuck the second one on, light this thing up. It's just me and this mold holder right here. Another 3D with the pink and then the axe underneath it. Provides pretty cool effects. Plenty more chunks. Up next is these two guys. This one goes on that one. It's like a 3D job, similar to the other things, but it's a little bit different, obviously. Infinity acrylic on this one at the back, which we're going to apply shortly. And then we're going to replace the mermaid just out there with these two. And it's something else is going there too. So yeah, I'll show you how it's done. And the final piece is up, the Kia, final piece for this one, sorry. Designed by Victor someone about in-house designers. Pretty special piece. Heaps of colours up in there, the neon orange is pretty cool. Yeah, we're almost done, so I'll give you the final tour at the end, but that's that one there. Up next is the Croc, and also there's a shark bug up there too. Replaced the J&E and the 02. Should be pretty cool. Another Victor original, we do have these in the LA store as well. Super popular, so we thought, get a bit of wildlife up there. And to complete the wall up there, we've got the Croc now. We're going to put the shark next to it. And we're not quite complete, this could be the middle one. Then the flamingo's coming down and something else coming up there. But yeah, here they are. One more to go over here, but we got it. Up next we've got the portal hand. It's going to go where the Peach used to go, just next to the Utopia up there. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Once you set up on the wall, you really get an idea of how this looks. Light this bad boy up. Yeah, not too bad. Alright, so what's going up is the gold Pharaoh. This is pretty cool, and a couple other pieces as well. Some Japanese and some Roman art. Yeah, looking forward to putting them up. Let's go. The masks are up. Pharaoh's a little bit crooked, we'll fix that up. But yeah, it's looking good. We've got a bit of spaghetti to clean up here. But yeah, halfway there. We got you can have it like this, you can have it like that. That's going. So the 2 sides above it as well. We're going to replace everything, give it a bit of a refresh. Almost there. So what's cool about this sign, we're not quite finished yet, but what's cool about it is all the fonts you see are fonts from our custom builder. So when you come in, you want to see what those fonts actually look like, the ones we're making on the website, that's what they look like in reality. So so we got some chasing pixel LED with these jellyfish here. It's going to replace what was where the flamingo is next to the shark. Hella modes, like there's just so many modes on this. It's actually like insane. Speeds and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, we're excited to put it up and see how it looks. Okay, go. Go forward. So we're saying this looks alright, yeah? Yes, sir. Yeah, that's swag. And there you have it, the pixel LED jellyfish are up. And you think we do a lot of them? Just, if you come in and want to know more about it, just ask. What could it be? That's everything. Got heaps of brand new stuff up. The RGB bulb finally up as well. Changing colours in the store. But yeah, that was the process of changing up the store, refreshing it, giving it a new lease on life. And yeah, come on in and check it out.